Thank you for providing the details of common characteristic and important skills for an entrepreneur. Here's an elaboration of each of those. Number one, common characteristic of an entrepreneur. Risk-taking. Entrepreneurs are willing to take calculate risk by investing their time, money, and efforts into an uncertain venture. They embrace the potential for failure as learning opportunity and are comfortable with the inherent risk involved in starting and running a business. Creativity and innovation. Entrepreneur as creative thinker who can identify new opportunities, develop innovative product or services, and find unique solution to problem. They have the ability to think outside the box and challenge the status. Persistence. Starting and growing a business is a challenging endeavor, and entrepreneur must persistence in the face of obstacle, setbacks, and failures. They possess a strong determination and realizes or to overcome challenges and keep moving forward. Adapt Adaptability. The business landscape is constantly changing and entrepreneur must be adaptable to adjust to new market conditions. Customer refers and industry trends. They are open to change and willing to pivot their strategies when necessary. Leadership. Successful entrepreneurs are often strong leaders who can inspire and motivate their teams, foster and positive work culture, and make difficult decisions. They have a clear vision and ability to communicate and effectively to others. Number two, important skills for an entrepreneur. Communication skills. Effective communication is essential for entrepreneurs to convey their ideas, negotiate deals, pitch and investors, and build relationship with customers, partners, and employee. Strong communication skills involve acting, listening, clear articulation, and the ability to tailor message to different audience. Money management. Understanding financial statement, budgeting, and managing cash flow is crucial for business success. Entrepreneur needs to have a solid grasp of financial principles such as pricing strategies, cost control, and financial forecasting to make informed decisions and ensure the financial viability of their venture. Problem solving. Entrepreneur frequency ensure obstacles and challenges that require creative problem solving skills. They must be able to analyze complex situations, identify root cause, to develop innovative solutions to overcome their hurdles. Time management. As entrepreneur, judge multiple tasks and responsibilities. Effective time management become crucial. They need to prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and allocate their time efficiently to ensure productivity and avoid burnout. Marketing skills. Understanding to Understanding how to promote product or services effectively is vital for entrepreneur. They need to have a solid grasp of marketing principle such as branding, target audience, identification marketing research, and various marketing channel, digital marketing, social media, advertising. Number 3, I see myself becoming an entrepreneur in the future because I enjoy taking risks, thinking new ideas. I keep trying even when it's doubt adapting changes, to challenges in my environment, and I think I can lead other in a group projects.